betting that on this race right here. Y'all ain't saying nothing about that. We got this Trans Am versus Nova. You know this right lane got an LS. Cause ain't no old motor gonna holler like that and still be living. You over rail for 383 like that, it's coming apart when you get off the gas. Right lane for the win, y'all.
Hey, look at you good?
Hell no. I think I gotta go use the bathroom again.
You got to.
I'ma go.
You want me to hold the camera for you?
Nah.
No, you gonna get logged on over there.
Nah, I'ma come back.
Yeah.
There's still some Buchanas left.
Man, look. Man, it's still a big bottle.
Y'all ain't gonna drink it all, is you?
Shit, I'll save some for you if you want some.
Yeah, I'm finna come back, fool. Somebody. Oh, man, where did I put that drink at?
That motherfucker was full when I gave it to you.
Oh, I drunk it down, but I left that bitch somewhere. Let me go find it. Damn, I forgot about that damn drink. I think my shit way over here, man. Ain't nobody bothered it, motherfucker. Damn. I forgot about. Yep, that bitch still cocked over the same way I left it. That way I knew nobody didn't mess with it. Damn. Bitch still cocked over. I can't finish this motherfucker. That bitch still the same. Damn, I can't finish this bitch, damn. Woo! God damn. I can't, this bitch still tastes the same.
Hey, still owe you 30?
Yeah. Man, I need to use that. Yeah.
We go right?
Yeah.
Still on the hole.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, I need to use it. Hey, y'all. Oh, it almost at 200 people watching, y'all. I was just about to say, hey, y'all, come back, but never mind. Since it's 200 people watching, I ain't gonna even, damn. I need to find somebody up here to hold the camera.
Look out, look out.
Look out, look out, man. What's going on, man? How you doing today?
You got some shirts or what, huh?
Nah, I got, I done sold out of everything today. I think I'm coming tomorrow. I'm coming tomorrow with everything.
I'm gonna get you next time they look up.
Hey, Diamond! Diamond!
What you sipping on?
Some
We over here drunk as hell
look,
on Twitch.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube. I need help.
What?
Her, you walk around with the camera for a minute.
All right.
That's all. Yeah, her, you can put it on you, double tap.
Y'all want to see me?
Yeah, they want to look at you.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh my God.
Look around, bro.
Look out, look out. Okay, we gonna racing. I know y'all don't want to see my black ass. Y'all, I got a good view for y'all. What you mean?
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I think he went to the bathroom. He gave me the camera. Now they talking shit. They like, what the fuck? We don't want to see you. How you doing, you Turkish? Y'all go follow me on Instagram. Damn.littlediamond. Hold the camera up. They talking shit to me. They gonna ask me.
What they ask?
They talking about, do I twerk or something?
Do you twerk? Do you? Go answer the question. Yeah, answer. You
gotta
single?
go up. Can you go up?
Nah, I can't go up. They say you don't have stupid Instagram hair now. You can't even record good. God damn. You ain't worth a damn thing. Hey, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I was giving it to somebody who was Instagram, savvy, but they ain't. I apologize. She wasn't twerking nothing. I'm gonna be back when they start twerking something. It done got cold, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get warm while they bullshitting. You hear me? So y'all stay live. Make sure y'all turn your notifications on. That is very important right now. Cause if you don't, you're gonna get left out. You hear me? You're gonna get. I hear I come. You're gonna get left out, man. Cause I done went through the gate. Oh shit! I almost got hit. Hey, Lo, tap the screen, Lo. Tap the screen. Okay, it ain't hit nothing. Press it again. I need to find it. Stop me. Okay, hit stop. Okay, look out, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe now. I'll be back when the racing starts. Hit it again.